G'day everyone, I'm here at Central Train Station and I'm just about to get on the train up to the Blue Mountains for a lovely weekend away from Sydney. Central dates back to 1906 with the completion of this beautiful Grand Concourse, the busiest railway station in Australia, with more than 270,000 people passing through the station each day. Trains travel from Central Station to Katoomba every 30 minutes on weekdays and hourly on the weekend. The train trip from Central Station to Katoomba will take just on 2 hours. The trains used to go to Katoomba are these V-set trains, which were proudly built in Melbourne, Australia between 1970 and 1989. These are electric trains built from stainless steel. I think the oldest of these V-sets that's still in service date back to 1977. So they've been in service for up to 44 years, but now they're slowly being phased out and being replaced with the new D-set trains, which were built in Korea. There is no need to buy a ticket in advance. Just turn up to the station and you tap on before you board using an Opal transport card, or you can use your credit or debit card. There is no food available on the train going up to Katoomba, but there's a few cafes found on the Grand Concourse, or there are plenty of vending machines on the concourse or found on each platform. Now that's enough of me talking, so sit back and enjoy the interior of these old V-set trains and enjoy the highlights of the trip through to Katoomba in the Blue Mountains.
The train on platform 6 goes to Lithgow via Parramatta. First stop Strathfield, then Parramatta, Blacktown, Penrith, then all stations to Springwood, then all stations to Katoomba, and then all stations to Lithgow.
Parramatta, please mind your step leaving the train. Parramatta will be followed by Blacktown. Now approaching Hazelbrook.
I'd like to know what suburb I'm in. Is it that?
Watson, Kimball, Blacktown.
There's some ship from.
Goes to Lithgow. First stop, Redfern, and then all stations to Lithgow.